everyone. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cat girl. It should end up like this because this is how I'm going to show you how to do it. The first step is the hair because I like to do the hair first. The next part, I think I should redo the hair. Okay. Alright, so you can take this time to edit some parts of your hair. You can do your hair however you want, but this is how I'm going to show you. And then you do it on the next side too. Do the same thing, just like this. And this is how your hair should turn out. Ooh. Now, you can add ears. We're going to add some ears. Now for the head. And then the neck should go like this. And the way I like to do it, if you don't want to draw arms, you can just do that. Oh crap, it's shifted. And then you can add a little bit of hair right here. Then I'm doing the legs right now. Okay, and we're done with the body. Oh wait, we need to add the tail. Always remember to add the tail. Now for the clothes. So I'm doing like a basic tank top, as you can see. And then you can put shorts or a skirt. I'm gonna do a skirt. So, see, there's a nice skirt. And for the shoes, you can just do whatever for the shoes. So I'm just gonna do this. Now for the eyes. My friend taught me a style of eyes. It's like this. Then you put a square thing around it and then add an eyelash. And then for the mouth, you put it like the classic mouth with the double lips or whatever it's called. Then you do the other eye, of course. And then the blush, whiskers. And if you want, you can put a little tooth there, like this. And now you can put any design on the shirt, and you can customize it any way you want. You can color it too, or you could leave it blank if you want. And yeah, that's it for today. And don't forget to put a date. So today, and then put a signature too. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.